childrens, how are you all of you? Fine, good. In previous video, I discussed you about music and noise. Now today we are going to discuss ultrasound and infrasound. The sound waves with the frequency too low for the human ear to hear are called the infrasound. Sound waves with the frequency too low for the human ear to hear are called infrasound. Means the frequency is below 20 Hz. Sound waves with the frequency too high for the human ear are called ultrasound. Means if the frequency is more than 20,000 Hz, then it is called a ultrasound. So frequency which is less than below 20 Hz are called infrasound. If the frequency is more than 20,000 Hz are called ultrasound. So human cannot able to hear infrasound as well as ultrasound. Human can hear only the frequency which is in between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. That is called the audible range. That we call the audible range. Animals such as whales, elephants and hippopotamus use infrasound. Animals such as whales, elephants and hippopotamus use infrasound. Animals such as dogs, bats, bird and insect can hear ultrasound. Animals such as dog, bat, birds and insect can hear ultrasound. The sound which is ultrasound is having a frequency below than 20 Hz. If a sound have a frequency more than 20,000 Hz are called infrasound. Now what is the usage of the sound that is infrasound? When the sound hit an object in water, it bounces back to dolphin as an echo. So dolphin can be able to hear a infrasound. The dolphins absorb this returning echo through its jaw. A passage of fat from the jaw conducts the sound to the dolphin inner ear. The dolphins can tell things about the object such as size, shape and material. So dolphin whales can able to hear a infrasound. Infrasound can be also heard by the elephants. Sound frequency below 20 Hz is called the infrasonic sound. Earthquake produce infrasonic sounds. Elephant communicate through infrasonic, that is very low sound. Now how do we can able to hear? How do we hear? Now sound waves enter the outer ear and travel through a narrow passage called the ear, which leads to the eardrum. The eardrums vibrate from the incoming sound and send this vibration to three tiny bones in the middle ear. These bones are called the malleus, incus and stapes. So sound waves enter the outer ear, then go to middle ear, then next go to the internal ear. Now first we discuss about the outer ear. What is the function of outer ear? The outer ear collects sound waves and directs them into a narrow region called the ear canal. The ear canal is a few centimeters long and ends at the ear drum. The eardrum is a small, tightly stretched drum-like membrane. Sound waves makes your eardrum vibrate. So the function of outer ear to collect the sound waves and directs them into a narrow region called the ear canal. Now middle ear. Transmission of a sound wave. Impedance matching is the mechanism by which middle ear amplifies the sound. So in the middle ear, there the sound is amplifies. Small muscles protect the hair cells in the internal ear from loud sounds. Maintenance of air pressure on either side of tympanic membrane. This is one of the important function of middle ear to maintain a air pressure on either side of tympanic membrane. Preferentially route of conduction. Now, what is the function of internal ear? Then first cochlea, that we call a bony labyrinth, is the system of coil tube snail-like structure in the inner ear filled with fluid called perilymph and endolymph. So one liquid is present in internal ear, that is perilymph and endolymph. It consists of three tubes, canals for scala vestibuli, scala media and scala tympani, and organ of Corti, electromechanically sensitive hair cells. Auditory nerve, it carries the impulse to the brain, which then interprets the impulse as sound. Semicircular canal and vestibule, it is used for the body balance. So internal ear is collect the sound waves, then transfer to middle waves. Here the amplifications is occur. Then it also help to maintain the air pressure between middle layer or external ear or internal ear. Now, internal ear is mainly meant for to carry the impulse to the brain, which interpreted the impulse as sound is work by auditory nerve. Now we can able to hear a sound. So I hope you understood the different types of sound or how we can hear. Now thank you.